Hi, I'm Clive Chedsey from CC Charger, and today I'm going to take you through fitting one of my exhaust remote control units, in this case to a V8 Vantage, but it's a broadly similar fit for all of the Gaydon type Astons. Let's go round to the back of the car and start the fitting. The unit itself is a compact device, fits entirely within the fuse box, and there's just 3 conductors on it to terminate, and they've all got push-in terminals. The only tool required is the fuse puller, and that's provided within the kit. Let's open the boot and start the install. On the V8 Vantage, on the coupe, the fuse box is located behind a panel on the right hand side as you look in. If it happened to be a Roadster, it's located on the left hand side under a removable floor panel. DB9, DBS, etc, all exactly the same. They use the same fuse box, and it's totally the same process for all of them. So I'll remove the panel. Give me full access now to the fuse box. There's a little button on the front of the fuse box, a little lever. That releases the lid. That moves out of the way. We've got a couple of items to take out. The fuse pullers needed for fuse 22 in this case. Later vehicles are fuse 15. And then we fit the remote unit. First conductor in place, nicely terminated. Next one in place, nice neat job. And the third one in place. All lays down neatly, and the lid refits for a totally covert installation. Lid clicks back in place, not sure if you heard the click, and the panel refits. Now we're good to test. Let's listen to the difference. Now for the pleasurable part, which is it needs to be given a test. And we've started up in the default mode of it being quiet, just as Aston designed it. And if we take the revs, it's as Aston designed it. Less throaty, but lacks a little bit of a rasp. Let's now press the button on the fob, and now we've ensured that the exhaust valves are permanently in what we'd call the loud position. So let's just repeat the revving. Introduce that little bit of a crack, a little bit of rasp in the exhaust. I press the button again to lock it down back to the way Aston designed it, and up to the we don't get any change in tone. Now while it's quite fun doing that, I'll turn it off, and you can also validate by putting your hands on the valves and actually operating the valve with the ignition on. And that'll show that you have control rather than having it defaulting to the way that Aston originally designed it. With this device, you have the power of choice. The package is supplied as a kit from www.ccharger.co.uk. It's bespoke to the Aston that you have. I have I'm holding up one that's for a V8 to a V12 Vantage, and one that's for a DB9 or DBS Virage, and that has an extra relay fitted within the kit. It takes me about 90 seconds to fit one of these, but having said that, we've shifted north of 600 of these units now, and I've probably fitted north of 100, so it should only take me 90 seconds. You should allow a little longer, but what I'm trying to illustrate is it's a straightforward push-in connector fit, and if you're able to fit a 3-pin plug, then you'll be able to install this device.